You could take a digital product that would typically earn this amount of money and flip it into something that could earn this amount of money in passive income. One of the easiest ways to make money online is by selling digital products. Digital products are different from physical products because they are available online. The customer can access them instantly, and you don't have the overhead of having to ship a product. And most of the time, it's a passive income. But did you know you can make one product and sell it multiple ways? Oh yes. For those of you that are familiar with this channel, you may remember that I did this video recently where I talked about selling digital products on Etsy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what I do to make money online by taking one single product and creating multiple ways of making money from that single product. So let's dive into my computer and I am going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, y'all. So the first thing that I'm going to do to create my product is I'm going to research it first, because the last thing that I'm going to want to do is waste my time creating a product that nobody wants. So I'm using Sales Samurai. This is a tool that you can use in order to research what is selling, to research what your competitors' keywords are, and they have a bunch of other features. So if you remember the video that I mentioned where I talked about selling on Etsy, I mentioned Sales Samurai in this. I want to show you what this thing does. So within Sales Samurai, you can easily link up your Etsy shop. You don't have to link your shop if you don't want to, but to get the most information out of Sales Samurai, then you should link up your Etsy store. The reason why I'm going to use Sales Samurai right now is to research to find out what is actually selling on Etsy. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to search. I'm going to type in KDP template. So while they're searching for that, the reason why I typed in KDP template is because I want to create a template that can be used on Amazon KDP. If you remember, I spoke about low content books on this channel, and those are books where the customer will fill out the information on the inside, such as journals or sketchbooks. You can use the interiors of those books and sell them on Etsy. So that's how we're going to play this. So you can already be making money from Amazon KDP by selling those low content books. I suggest that you check out my low content books video to get a deeper understanding of the low content books. But when I search for KDP template, now these are the pages that will go inside of my KDP books. So let's see what is actually popular right now. I'm actually going to make it a lot easier for me, and I'm going to click Etsy search volume, so that way it will go from the highest volume to the lowest volume. Now, these are the highest search terms for KDP templates on Etsy. So if you'll see, it says KDP template E, I don't know what that is, but KDP interiors, as you can see, I favorited that because this is something that I want to do. So KDP templates, KDP interior, these are the keywords that you're going to want to use when it comes to selling your interiors on Etsy. So looking at the click-through rate is the percentage where somebody sees that word or that type of listing and they'll actually click on it. So KDP interiors has the highest click-through rate on this page. So let's go with that, right? So if you scroll lower, the way that Sales Samurai works is you can see what is selling on Etsy. So this is how I like to spy on my competition. So I like to filter views from highest to lowest. These are the most viewed products on Etsy for this search term. Boom. Okay. So if you're wondering how much Sales Samurai costs, it's $9.99 a month, and they also have a yearly plan for $99.99. Okay. Like I said, you get 20% off of these prices when you use my code DealFindingDiva and use the link below in the description box. One sale could get you your money back for the entire month. So as you can see, this right here is the top viewed product for KDP templates. So let's click on that and check out this listing on Etsy. Okay, so this is what the listing looks like. This person is selling it for $3.50. And let's see, it's a 6x9 and an 8.5 by 11. They they meant PDFs. They have PDFs and 100 pages, and it's available to be edited on Canva. So that's what we're going to use to design our books because it's the easiest way to do it. So if you want to compete with this listing, what you would do is, first of all, you would see what they have in their listing. So this is a daily planner, right? See, it's all the same thing, right? So this is going to be very easy to sell. So what you can do is you can use this example and you can see their description and all of that stuff, right? So at this point, if I want to compete with this person, what I would do is I would go over to Canva and create something similar. You're not going to copy off of it, but you're going to create something similar. So all you have to do is head on over to Canva. So this is Canva and it's a free platform. I've spoken about it in previous videos, so I'm not going to go too deep into it, especially if you already watched my video on creating low content books. I highly suggest that you watch that. You can access Canva for free without paying for any memberships, but I do have a premium membership with Canva. But a premium membership is not even really going to matter much because you want people to be able to edit their interior that you're selling them with a free Canva account. So what we're focusing on is creating a daily planner interior. They have a lot of different options. As you can see, I'm going to just pick any old kind of interior here. Okay. So you can take this free Canva template and edit it to make it your own because you can't just use their design. Okay. Let me design something different, just slightly different really quick.
I feel the need for speed. Ow!
Okay, so this is my finished product and it took me all of like less than 5 minutes to do this. So one way of taking this single product and selling it multiple ways is you can create another listing where you're changing the colors, and that only takes seconds. Now, you don't want to go too crazy on the colors because chances are when somebody goes to sell them on KDP, they're going to sell it in black and white anyway because it's cheaper than selling it in color. But you can sell your template on Etsy any way that you want to, and then the person that buys it can turn around and change the colors themselves if they would like. On Etsy, when you create your listing, you can create a share link for this product. And you click that and this will be the links. And that way, when somebody purchases this product, they can automatically download it on Etsy without even having to contact you or anything. Another smart way to make this product into a variety of different products is by resizing it and creating different bundles. Okay. So just like we saw that person had an 8.5 by 11 and a 6 by 9 in that bundle, you can break these down and only sell 6 by 9s and then create another listing and only sell the 8.5 by 11s. So in order to resize this, all you have to do is click resize, and I like to see it in inches. And right here, you can just change it to whatever size that you want to. What I like to do is I like to make it a lot easier for myself by making sure that my pages will fit in Amazon KDP so that I can sell them for myself on KDP and that my customers won't have an issue selling them on KDP as well. Because the thing is, if the book is 6 by 9, the pages may not be exactly that. So to make sure that my stuff fits for KDP, what I do is I use BookBalt. So BookBalt is made by the same people that make Sale Samurai. So the link is down below in the description box. So if you use my link below and use code DealFindingDiva, you will get 3 days free plus 20% off for the lifetime of your membership with BookBalt. And you'll be able to make as many of these pages that you want to make to sell on multiple platforms. So you can sell them for yourself in your own KDP books, but you can also sell them to other people on Etsy. Now, I cover how to use BookBalt fully in my low content book video, so I'm not going to go too deep into it. So this is what it looks like when you're inside BookBalt. They have a bunch of tutorials, so it makes everything a lot easier for you. But I like to use BookBalt because they know exactly what sizes KDP will require, because there are size requirements. So what I'll do is I will take the product that I created on Canva and upload it to Bookball. So in order to upload your interiors, all you have to do is click on Bookball Designer and it'll take you to this page. I'm just going to say 8.5 by 11, but I want to use the Interior Pro. So I'm going to skip past this. So just submit this. Now, once I'm in here, I'm not even going to deal with this. I'm going to go to Interior Pro. So at this point, I'm creating my own book and I'm making sure that my pages fit. So I really like intro pages so people know who their book belongs to. So I've created one in Canva already that I use for my KDP book. So I'm going to upload that initial page. And then I'm going to upload my planner. So as you can see, those are in there now. And I'm going to hit 99 because I already have one page, which is that this book belongs to, right? So now I'm going to click, I want 99 of those babies. So look at this. See how easy that was? Now I have 100 pages for my daily planner. I'll leave it with margins 8.5 by 11. And now I'm going to download. So my file is downloaded. This is my version right here that I can upload to Amazon KDP and make my own money off of it. And I can go in and create a book cover on Bookball. I've shown how to do that on my Amazon KDP video. So you definitely want to check out that video if you want to know how to create this book from start to finish, including the cover. Now, if you're also interested in Bookball, it's also $9.99 a month. And they also have a pro version where you can create puzzles and stuff in there. So I actually have this version. A lot of people like to make the activity books and stuff. So yeah, they have a couple different plans that you can sign up for. Each come with a free 3-day trial, and you can use my link down below for 20% off for life and get that free 3-day trial as well to try it out.
Did I lie? No, I did not. I told you these awesome ways to make money. If you want to sign up or use any of the things that I mentioned in this video, they are all linked in the description box. But beyond that, remember that if you like this type of content, please do let me and the algorithm know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribing and turning on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And if you want more ways to make a passive income, then I suggest you watch this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and